Welcome back to today's build. Here you can see simple little set today. It's an original Lego set 76424, and it's the Harry Potter Flying Ford Anglia. So little build for today, and if you stick to the end you will see a non-Lego version that I found elsewhere. I feel it looks a bit better, which is why I invested in this one, to just get a comparison as to, you know, why alternatives can be quite good. But yeah, let's get this opened up and see what's inside. So we've got a couple of minifigs here, and yeah, a little bit of functionality. So the boot opens, the doors open, and the roof comes off as well, which I'm sure the original car is not supposed to. But yeah. So yeah, let's clear the table and we'll get this built. Here we are, guys, everything complete. So this is the latest Ford Anglia that Lego currently produce. It is slightly smaller than a Speed Champion scale. It does still fit two minifigs side by side, but barely, and there's not really much more room to move. Not even a proper steering wheel in there. It is literally just a sort of a circular tile disc that goes on in there. But yeah, you could tell what it is. It works with the range. It's obviously not designed for adults. It's designed for playing rather than displaying. You do get the two minifigs and two little animals as well. So you've got the mouse and the owl that come with it. So yeah, not really much to say about it. There's not really much to dislike about it. It's small, doesn't have too much detail. Only manoeuvrability is it with the doors. But yeah, it is what it is. Will they bring out anything better, bigger? There's been a few models of this car brought out by Lego of late. But yeah, this is their current offering for the Ford Anglia. Now, as a little sneak peek to the next build that I'll have coming out, I'll show you something that you could get as an alternate. It's about twice the price of the other one, but here we go, much larger, and there is the magical Ford Anglia. Built to a much larger scale, has opening bonnet, boot and doors, and has also a magic trick as well. But yeah, keep watching and subscribe, and you will see a video soon on the larger scale one as my next build. So yeah, thanks very much. I'll see you on the next build. Thank you.